Hey guys, Ron here with a new video, and today we're going to be talking about 5 things no one tells you about Seth's digital marketing course. Now, before we get into the video, as usual, if you haven't signed up for Seth's course and you'd like to get into it, you can find the link down in the description and sign up for it down there. And also, you can find the link down in the description to my resume bundle if you'd like to get in there as well. So to jump into the video, here are the list of things that I believe no one tells you about Seth's digital marketing course. Now, number one, when it comes to digital marketing, things are constantly changing. Things are constantly being upgraded. Things are constantly being taken away in terms of features, and things are always being added in terms of new features. So one thing you really have to keep in mind is that you have to be proactive when it comes to this field. So when it comes to Seth Thomas' digital marketing course, use it as a foundation. But at the same time, you want to make sure that you're constantly learning and pushing yourself further. So don't solely depend on Seth Thomas' digital marketing course. You want to make sure that it's the base, but at the same time, you want to push it further. So you want to make sure you have solid places where you can find new resources of what's the latest that's going on within the field, because things are changing every day, and this is something that you really do have to be proactive at. So make sure you have a solid list of places where you can just find out what exactly is going on within the field. And if you already have my resume bundle, you'll know that I have a list of resources that you can pretty much find all the latest news when it comes to the field of like PPC. But yeah, that is number one. The field is always changing, so keep that in mind. You must be proactive. Now, jumping to number two, don't expect to get every single job. You'll find that a job posting can have your very skills down to the very T, but at the same time, you might not even get an interview. So don't beat yourself up about it too bad. Just keep it moving forward. Things are not always going to be aligned, but you want to make sure that, okay, this one didn't work out, let's go on to the next one. So keep pushing. Don't expect to get results immediately. I know I and a few others may have gotten, results pretty quickly, but that's just, it's going to be random. Don't depend on it being, something that happens immediately. So keep that in mind. Now, jumping to number three, personality is a huge factor when it comes to this field. So companies can be, of course, having the listing of the skills that they want, but at the same time, they want to make sure the person is a culture fit. So there have been situations where companies may have wanted, somebody with high energy when it comes to the position that they're wanting, because maybe they have a portion of the position that's client facing, so they really want that kind of personality to be a part of that role. And at the same time, I've seen other companies want somebody a bit more laid back that can really dive in and just do a lot of executional work and just get very hands-on. So it's not going to be something that's going to be consistent for every company, but you got to keep in mind that for each company there's going to be a different culture fit, and your personality is going to play a big part of it. So make sure that you bring your best foot forward. If the personality doesn't match up, okay, don't take it too personal. Just keep it pushing and look towards other positions that could be a bit more of a personality fit or culture fit for you. So definitely don't take it to heart when it comes to this particular thing. But yeah, that's number three. Personality is definitely a huge factor when it comes to it. Now, number four. Now, this is a big one. There will be mistakes that you will make. This is pretty normal within the field. Pretty recently, someone I've actually even been working with, they're actually senior level. They made pretty big mistake, and they've been in the field even longer than me. But at the same time, they owned it. They pretty much, spoke to the team and the client regarding the mistake, and they pretty much kept it forward and kept it moving. So keep in mind that you most likely will be making mistakes when it comes to this field, but make sure you learn from it and just acknowledge it and just make sure that it's avoided. But that's definitely something you should expect when it comes to this field. And the very last thing, number five, you'll find that there's a very common, quote that's said within this field. You're going to feel like you're on an island. So basically, there's going to be a lot of independence within this role. And at the same time, a lot of people don't really understand this role because they really don't know the nuances of what exactly you have going on and what you're exactly doing day to day. So definitely keep in mind that not everyone's going to know as much knowledge as you when it comes to the field. So they can they can most likely be very out of the loop when it comes to what you're doing. But of course, make sure that you're keeping track of things. Maybe you want to create a task list that you can provide to other team members or other people that you may be working with, so they have an idea of what you're working on. That's something that's actually going to be included within my resume bundle, so that'll be an update coming soon. But other than that, just make sure you're keeping in contact with your team members and making sure that things are just being handled and you're being on top of things. But yeah, it's pretty much my top 5 list of things that no one really talks to you about when it comes to subscribing to your marketing course, and things that can happen afterwards. So definitely keep that in mind. But yeah, that's pretty much my list. Look forward to more videos coming soon. And of course, if you haven't signed up for Seth's Digital Marketing course, you can sign up for it down below in the description. And also, you can sign up for my resume bundle down below in the description as well. I will catch you guys in the next video, and I hope you guys have a great day.